The entry of Bulgaria in the EU brought new laws and procedures for the meat production industry. Bulgarian companies have 1 year to fulfill all of the EU requirements. The EU food law focuses on the protection of the final customer by imposing its regulation in farms and food processing companies.
The EU food law aims at ensuring a high level of protection of human life and health, taking into account the protection of animal health and welfare. This integrated farm-to-fork approach is now considered a general principle for the EU food safety policy. EU food law requires for food processing companies to have a department called DPP. DPP is a system of basic hygienic and technological rules for work. Its purpose is to lower the risk of unsanitary food handling.
We check the documents that come with the meat itself. We also take samples from the meat and we research them in a certified laboratory, and then the meat goes into production.
Carol Fernandez Meat is one of the few meat processing companies in Bulgaria that has satisfied all of the sanitary demands by DVSK and is now in the process of authorization for export in the EU member states. According to the EU food safety regulations, each meat product should have a code. The code carries information of where the meat comes from.
Using the code through the system of tracing, we can get to the source of the problem. We can go back and see in the particular product what type of meat was used, where does it come from, what other ingredients are used, so that we can understand the problem.
The EU food law also requires human treatment of animals in farms and decent killing in the slaughterhouses.